Alana, welcome back, and today is my YouTuber day! Yay, it's my first time doing my YouTube channel. I'm so excited for everyone who is becoming a YouTuber. I love you guys, you all are my favorites. All you guys that care about... Sarah, stop it. My back's not itchy. Knock it off. Get that out of here. Sorry about that. That's my baby sister, Sarah. She's gonna be my camera girl. She likes using the camera, so I'm gonna let her do some practice videos with me. So we're gonna do some practices with some videos, being around the camera more. She's not gonna be in so much videos, like, I don't know if she wants to, but she's gonna be in lots of them. Lots of my family members are gonna be in here. And guess what? Once we get to visit our cousins, I'm gonna take my new tablet, make a new video for just you guys, all my favorite fans, all my friends and friends. And if you guys have a friend named I have these two best friends that've been with me for a long time, and they're my lost best friends. But they're not here. I'm in Milwaukee. They're in Grafton, and I visited them at Centennial Park. And today, so, it's my first YouTuber day. Thank you, Sarah. I'm good. You're perfect. So, these two best friends are called Livia and Remy. Livia and Remy are my best friends. They are awesome. I love those two so much. They're like my sisters. I only had one sister, so...
I only call them Liv and Rum.
Liv and Ren. We have a baby bear. We have two parakeets. One's named Jack, and one's named Remy. I'll show you. You go, Ren. Remy Greeny Lime. That's my bird, parakeet. She's a great parakeet. She's really shy though, but she's really nice and gentle. She will nibble a bit. She's only playing with your finger sometimes. Like if you put your finger up by her beak, she will nibble a little bit. It's so cute. I hear it tickles. Okay. And Jack is a really good flyer now. So Olivia and Remy, you guys are the best. Take care of each other, okay? I miss you two a lot. And here's my baby sister, Sarah. Stop it, Sarah. This is going to be 5 minutes, 5:30 minutes long. 5 minutes and 30 seconds long. My video. So, yeah. And, oh, yeah. By the way, my channel is going to be starting to post out today, so make sure you guys see that channel. And Baby T4, you inspired me to be a YouTuber. There's a lot of people that inspired me to be a YouTuber, and I am kind of funny. I am a little bit funny. It's not baby sister. Yeah, Sarah's gonna watch my channel. She will like and subscribe on my channel because she loves me. I'm her sister. She loves me a lot. I play with Sarah. I've been with Sarah a long time. Like, Sarah was a little miscarriage. She's hiding. Why are you hiding?
Join the nature pack.
Yeah, join the girl pack. And the boy pack. I don't know what you guys call it.
We're going to the nature pack.
Yeah, join the nature pack. And, guys, don't litter in nature because it's not good.
Nature.
It has me and my baby sister and my two parakeets, Jack and Man, with Nathan.
It has Rum in bed.
I'm not posting out anything yet. I would give away bracelets until I'm older. I'll give away stuff when I'm older, like, I don't know yet, but, like and subscribe my videos. But, yeah.
Shout out time. 3 shout outs.
Nope, a lot of shout outs.
3.
Nope.
5.
6 shout outs, everyone. Okay, so the first shout out goes to Baby T4. They are awesome. They're 2 little sisters, and you guys should see the baby. We found a baby in the woods video. That's one of their new videos. You guys should see the Evil Doll videos. If you guys seen those videos, tell me, and I've seen them too. If you have not seen them, go watch them now. My videos aren't gonna be posted out yet, so I'm posting them out by the day. By this day, so please be quiet. And yeah, have you guys seen the Scratchfoot videos? The Evil Doll and Scratchfoot, guys. I'm not gonna say it. If you guys seen the Scratchfoot video of the Evil Doll and Scratchfoot kidnap the girls. Oh no, poor Jolene and Addie. But don't worry, guys. They live happily ever after. Oh, yeah. Shut up. I'm sorry, guys. I got you. Okay, the second shout out goes to Toy Freaks. I love the Toy Freaks. They're awesome. Freak Daddy, I love you guys. You guys are the awesomest people. Quit it. Nope. So, Toy Freaks are the awesome people that I like. They're freaky. They're cool. They say, don't be scared. They're so fun. And the next,
Last but not least,
Victoria and Annabelle are two sisters. The only two sisters. They're sisters, and they don't have any other siblings. But I have 3 siblings. And the next shout out goes to, and my final one for this video is Cookies World C. I love your channel, Cookies World C.
she does make
You
cookies
go, girl.
sometimes,
You
and that
go.
makes me hungry.
Sarah loves cookies.
I love oatmeal chocolate cookies.
Yeah, I like oatmeal chocolate chip cookies because they're so good. I want to try them. I love oatmeal cookies, but not raisins. Not raisins with oatmeal
Raisins
cookies.
are nasty. Just
I love raisins. I love grapes, but seriously, do not put I don't like oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. I like oatmeal chocolate chip cookies because they're from. And bye, guys. And check out my videos and peace out.
clean up trash.